Some stories never die. They only wait to be heard. This is Night Hauntings. The furnaces did not stop because the workers were gone. The workers were consumed, and the machines simply waited. For nearly a century, iron was forged here under extreme heat. Day after day, night after night, this was Sloss Furnaces, an industrial giant that helped build a city and buried the cost inside its walls. Temperatures near the furnaces could exceed unbearable levels. Molten iron flowed like fire. One wrong step meant severe injury or death, and the work never slowed. Safety was secondary to production. Men worked long shifts surrounded by heat, smoke, and heavy machinery. Accidents were frequent, hands were crushed, bodies were burned. Some workers collapsed from exhaustion, others never walked out at all. The furnaces did not shut down for grief, they were fed again. One foreman became infamous among the workers. His name was James Wormwood. They called him Slag. He was known for forcing exhausted men to keep working, for ignoring safety warnings, for ruling the furnaces with fear. According to legend, Wormwood fell into one of the furnaces himself, whether accident or consequence. His body was never recovered. The iron continued to pour. In 1971, Sloss Furnaces finally shut down. The fires went cold, the workers left, the machines were abandoned. But those who returned later said the place did not feel empty. Security guards reported heavy footsteps on metal catwalks, footsteps that followed them, then stopped. Visitors described shadow figures moving near the furnaces, sudden waves of heat and cold air, a feeling of being watched while standing alone. Some claimed to hear a voice shouting orders, demanding work, demanding movement, as if someone was still supervising the floor. Many believe Slag never left, that the furnaces claimed him and kept him. The factory no longer produces iron, but something inside it still remembers the labor, the heat, the suffering. The machines outlived the workers, and they are still waiting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss future episodes. These places were never meant to be empty. Tune in next week for another video. This is Night Hauntings.